If you take a photo and you find out that the horizon is not really leveled, you can tweak that and adjust your photo in Affinity. Affinity does not have a separate straighten tool, but you have the straighten option inside of the crop tool. So once you activate the crop tool, you can crop your photo as needed, but it doesn't have to be cropped. You will see in the context toolbar here the icon for straighten. Once you click on it, your cursor becomes a level. You simply have to click on one end and let go at the other end along a line that should have been horizontal. And as soon as you let go, notice that the photo is straightened. Once you're happy with this, you simply click the apply button and you're done. You have your photo all straight. What if you have no horizon to check? Maybe your photo is at an angle, but it's not the horizon. Well, whenever you have a vertical element, whether it's a doorway, a column, a lamppost, the edge of a building, you can still use that same tool to straighten your photo. So let's activate our crop tool, get our straighten tool, and I'm going to make a line along the longest post that I can see, and I can adjust, and as soon as I let go, it goes straight. You can see that in the back it looks like this building is not straight, but this is only a perspective version. And you can see here the edges that would be empty. Affinity is cropping my photo to the best dimensions to avoid those gaps. So once I apply, my photo is now straight. Now, there is no reason to have a photo that is not straight. Have fun!